students, now I'm going to just tell you how to create a dialog box in VC++, and of course through the same program I'm going to explain you the concept of message maps. This particular program is your lab program. So you've got one menu program and one dialog box program for the lab. Please note these both down and write it in your record notebook. So first thing is, again, click File, click New. Choose Win32 application and let the project name be Dialog. Let it be an empty project. Click Finish and then OK. Once you have created the project, add the file. So again, File, New, and this time the Files tab is shown, wherein you will be choosing a C++ source file. Give the file name for the C++ source file. Let it also be Dialog. So it will be dialog.cpp. Just say OK. Once you have it, the file is visible. Please type the code. I've got the code here. So here again you have #include afxwin.h. Here it is afxwin is application framework for Windows. It's a header file included in case of using, and whenever you use the MFC. I'm creating a class called myFrame. This is the name I am giving. You can even give your name. The class name can be anything. I am giving it my name. So it is a subclass of CFrame window. And in the constructor of the class, I override the create method. The create method is called with null because I'm not going to show any view, and the title will be dialog box. And because I'm going to handle the events or messages as per we call it in VC++, you have to declare message map and you have to declare the handler in the class at the end. So I have declared message map. Note that there is no semicolon at the end of message map. And about the message map, I have just declared the handler, my event handler. So void on L button down. Uint is nothing but unsigned integer. N flags. C point is nothing but it's a long number. It returns a long number. So I've declared the message map, and now I have to map the things. I have to make the map. So for that I use the macro begin message map and end message map. In the begin message map, I send the frame where I'm going to get the message, where I'm going to get the message or where the event is going to take place. It's going to be the my frame. And what type of frame it is? It is C frame window. It can also be C MDI frame window. That's why I specify here it is C frame window, and it is a single document interface, SDI. Frame window comes for single document interface. And what is the event that is going to be handled? On Windows message L, which means left button down. It is also a macro which is used for mapping, and last but not the least, you end the end message map. If you see, the macros are not followed by semicolon. After that, I define the event handler. So I'm going to define, so it's void. So where is the method? The method corresponds to my frame, and the method name is on L button down. You have two colons as the same in C++. Of course, the same declaration, you have the on L button down. You need N flags, C point. I'm declaring a character, string of 25 characters, and I use sprintf. Sprintf is nothing but string printf. String printf, what it does is it prints this string into the str. So here I am copying into str the location where I am clicking, point.x and point.y. So both are in long, so it is %d and %d. So now str has the points where I am clicking. Whatever point I am clicking is displayed using the message box. So message box str is a dialog box. It displays the location or the coordinates where I am clicking. Every MFC class should have a Win app because this is the entry point. So I create a class called My App, which is a child class of CWin app, and of course I have the method init instance. I have the method init instance. I create a pointer for my frame. I create an object for my frame and assign it to the pointer P. I show the window. I show the window of the frame, and because there's only one window which is P, I tell that is the main window. Member variable MP main window is assigned P. And remember, if it is member variable, it always starts with M_P followed by capital letter of the word, and the next word will be capital letter. So MP main, M capital, window, W capital. If they are methods, the first letter will be a capital letter and the next word first letter will be a capital letter. Show window, first letter is capital, the next word is window, the letter is capital. So done. Once this is done, at the end I instantiate my app, my app A, my app A. I may also have app. Nobody is going to say anything wrong. I save it. As usual, go to project, change the setting. You can also use Alt F7. Change the setting to use MFC in shared DLL. Say OK, build or compile, 0 errors, 0 warnings, execute. It asks for again building, say yes. Can you see the dialog box here? I click here, the coordinate points where I clicked is 135 and 260. I click here, 647, 74. I click in this corner, 33. So you got the dialog box. So that's it for the lab program, and I hope you understood the concept of message maps also. Thank you.